Today I will read this book, Volcanoes. Like this, and volcanoes. Start reading. In the year 79, Mount
Vesuvius,
a volcano in
Italy.
Italy blew up. Hot melt rock from deep inside the earth pushed up through the mountain. The top of the mountain exploded. Ash, cinders, and stones burned. Pompeii, a great city below the mountain. Nearly 2,000 years later, Mount
Vesuvius
still puts steam and ash, but not as much as it did long ago. In 1815, the same thing happened in
Indonesia.
A group of islands between Asia and Australia. Mount Tarbora blew its top. Billions of tons of the mountain were turned into ash and flew into the air. Wind carried the ash all around the earth. It made a cloud that blocked out the sun. The earth got colder and colder. The next year, 1860, was called the year when not a summer. The New England state has 6 inches of snow in June, and there were frost in July and August. That's how cold it was. July
1816.
In 1860,
1980.
In the state of Washington, the top of Mount St. Helens blew up. Before it did, the earth shook. There was a rumble and bang so loud it had 300 miles away. When the mountain exploded, steam, gas, and ash was thrown into the air. The top of the mountain was gone. It had turned into hot ash. The eruption of Mount St. Helens was not a surprise.
Geologists,
people who studied the earth, knew that the volcano had erupted about 100 years ago, that it was bound to happen again.
Geologist.
geologists watch volcanoes for
Signs.
signs of an eruption. They listen for rumblings. Mount St. Helens had been rumbled of and on for more than 100 years.
Geologist.
Geologists knew that these rumblings were warnings. Geologists also measure earthquakes. Before a volcano erupts, there are usually earthquakes in the region. Volcanoes and earthquakes occur because our planet is always changing. Part of it are always moving. The earth is covered with soil, sand, and broken rocks. Under that are layers of soiled rock. The layers are broken into huge stations called plates.
Are they layers in our planet? Really?
Yes.
Plate. Plate.
네.
판때기죠, 판때기. 자, geologist.
Geologists have given the planet
Plate
name. Under the planet, there is very hot rock. The planet moves plates on hot rock, which is soaked like dough.
밀가루 반죽 도우.
They don't move much, only about as fast as your fingernails grow, but they keep moving years after years after years. They have moved for millions of years. Magma. In some plates, two plates move apart. They were too hot. Molten rock called magma push up between them. After it comes to surface, magma is called lava. The lava cools and becomes solid rock. That's happening the plate under the
In places under the oceans.
right now. Huge underwater mountain ranges have between building up for hundreds of miles of years.
Millions of years. 폰트가 익숙하지 않지 이게. 또 봐봐요.
Plate.
이건 place, 장소죠, 장소.
In some plates move apart. In other places, they push together, and one plate moves under another. Or one plate may slide apart another. This movement shakes
This movement.
the earth. They make earthquakes like this.
난리가 났어요. 자,
At Mount St. Helens, an edge of the small John plate has been moving under North American plate of those of
thousands of years.
As it has moved under, the heavy plates have rumbled together.
Loved together. 오, 뭔가 이렇게 붙었나 봐.
The friction between the plates made the lower plate hard enough to melt. The hot molten rock pushed upward. The most of the magma stayed under the mountain. It pushed upward, but it didn't break through. Some came through cracks in the side of Mount St. Helens. Heat, steam, and pressure of magma below of top of the mountain. Like this.
자, 얘는 옆구리가 터졌어?
Some volcanoes are not plate edges. Hawaii is in the middle of the
태평양이라는 뜻을 가지고 있죠.
Pacific plate. Their molten rocks push up through a weak spot in the plate.
아이슬란드 아니에요.
The
아일랜드.
island of Hawaii are made from lava that has built up as the island have formed. They have been carried slowly north by movement of
Northwest.
by the movement of the planet. Volcanoes are still erupting on Hawaii. New lava is coming to the surface. There are thousands of volcanoes around the world. Some erupted millions of years ago, but probably never erupt again. They are
inactive. 액티브의
Others
반대말.
are active. They could go off again. From time to time, a new volcano will appear. Then a new volcano begins. The ground may get warmer. There may be small earthquakes, and steam may come out of the ground. That's what happened in 1943 at Paricut in Mexico. Paricut is on a boundary between two plates. One plate dug under another and filled became a volcano. The farmer who owned it,
디오니시오 폴리오 뭐 폴리도 폴리도
noticed he felt was getting warmer. After a few days, a foot cracked open, and steam and melt rock spurted out of it. A village grew in the field, and it got higher and higher. Then field became a hill, and then a small mountain. The mountain became hotter and hotter. Rocks, steam, lava, and ash were thrown out of cracks in it. Ash covered the countryside. Winds carried the ash as far as 200 miles away. Houses and churches were covered. Whole towns were buried under ash. Dionysos' hallowed farm was gone. It had become a volcano nearly a quiet mile high. Geologists cannot tell actually when a new volcano will be born or when an old one will erupt. Small earthquakes or rumblings warned geologists that a volcano could erupt tomorrow. Then again, it might be months or even years before it happens. Geologists do know that most volcanoes will occur along the ring of fire. If not there, the volcano will probably occur at the edge of some other plate. But don't worry about volcano in your backyard. That doesn't happen very often because geologists are always watching the Earth of changes. Usually, they are able to warn us long before the volcano blows its top. Goodbye.